So as you can see here, these are the ND filters from Polar Pro. It comes in a very neatly packed box. As you can see here, you basically get three main ND filters. That is, one is the ND8, the next one is the ND16, and the last one is ND32. So you guys must be asking, why ND filters? But ND filters are used as a sunglass for your camera when the outside conditions are too harsh, or when the sun is shining too much. That's when you can make use of these ND filters, and they're really good. So I will just show a small comparison using these three different ND filters on my camera, so that you guys can exactly know what but before that, I'll just show you how to put one of the filters onto the GoPro. So this is my GoPro Hero 9 Black, and it comes with a new max lens mod, wherein you can just remove this lens and put the new max lens mod. So that has given a way to make use of these ND filters, right? Because in the previous GoPro Hero 8 you couldn't remove this, it was inbuilt. So it's really good that GoPro has done this. So I'll just show you guys how you can remove this lens. Hold the GoPro like this, and just turn it anti-clockwise like this, and it just pops off. So this is your standard lens that you get along with the GoPro. So all that you have to do now is remove one of these filters, the ND32. As you can see here, is the ND32 filter. So basically it comes with the branding here saying Polar Pro, and also you have the number here. So what Polar Pro says that you have to put it the same way you take it out, such that the ND32 number comes on top. In order to do that, let me just put it like this. Just have to put it here like this, and you have to turn it clockwise, so that way the ND32 number comes on top here. So this is it, guys. It is that simple to change the ND filter. So now let's go on to show you how these ND filters actually make a difference in your photos and videos. So they also happen to give this nice cloth. It feels really good to clean the lens, and it also comes with a Polar Pro branding. So it feels very nice, and it would be a perfect fit for cleaning the lenses. So this is the GoPro along with the ND32 filter. This is along with the ND16 filter, and this is along with the ND8 filter, and this is just the normal UV protector that you get from GoPro. And this is the comparison between the UV protector and the ND32 filter. As you can see, the image on the left is overexposed compared to the image on the right, and you can see that on the image that is on the right hand side is has much more clarity. The shadows are well defined, and it's not too overexposed. So this is the comparison. Now you know how helpful ND filters can really help your photography. So that is it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please do subscribe if you haven't already.